If you've been in an accident involving a tractor trailer, what should you do? The first thing and your number one priority should be to get the medical treatment you need, whether that's going to the emergency room, going to an urgent care, or even just going to your primary care doctor. The second thing I tell folks is if your injuries allow you to do this, go and take photographs and videos of the accident scene. Don't assume that law enforcement or first responders are going to do that for you. Also, if there are other witnesses, go talk to them and get their contact information. All that information is going to let us represent you more effectively later on. So how does a case involving a tractor trailer differ from your typical auto accident? The primary difference is that many commercial vehicles are regulated not just at the state level, but also at the federal level, including those issued by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. So if you're in an accident involving a tractor trailer, it's important to work with an attorney who can navigate those complex federal safety regulations. What type of compensation can I get if I'm injured in an accident involving a tractor trailer? There are a couple categories of compensation that you can get. Medical bills, of course, future medical expenses, any lost wages or lost income, any out-of-pocket expenses that you had as a result of the injury. And finally, in North Carolina, you can recover for pain and suffering. And that's a very amorphous concept, but what it basically means is that you can receive an additional amount of money for the pain of that initial injury, for the pain and inconvenience of the treatment, for any mental distress or emotional distress that you suffered as a result of that injury. And because it is such an undefined category, it's important that you consult with an attorney when seeking compensation for pain and suffering. What makes Paynter Law different from other law firms? I think the main thing is that we're a small firm and we care for each of our clients. Unlike a lot of law firms, bigger law firms that have hundreds of staff, you're never going to have a problem talking to your lawyer at Paynter Law or even meeting with your lawyer in person. That personal touch and that ability to speak with your attorney whenever you want is something that distinguishes us from other law firms. Another thing that I think distinguishes us from a lot of larger firms is that we are very comfortable in the courtroom litigating and trying your cases. Some firms, they just take cases to try to reach a quick settlement. If we don't think we can get you what you deserve in a settlement, we will take your case to trial. Heck, we even took a case up to the North Carolina Supreme Court one time and won. How does a no-win, no-fee arrangement work? That simply means that if we don't win your case or get you a settlement that you approve, we don't charge a fee. Not only that, but if there are expenses in your case, for example, court filing fees, we advance those expenses for you, and we don't recoup those expenses unless we win. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a free consultation. At Paynter Law, we're here to help you every step of the way, and we pride ourselves on being a small firm with a big impact.